Hello? 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 All right, second things. I think we're running. Yo, I'm late, bro. I'm literally late to the game. Let me pop these bitches on. And let's lock, man. I took an L on Verizon, bro. Like, your boy took an L here on VZ. We're out. I'm gonna close out right now. Let's close out. Take 235 off the day, and let's save today to history, and reset. Okay. All right. So that's that. We did. I mean, three trades in the last 24 hours. We did NVDA twice. We did Verizon. Okay. So the last two trades we took yesterday on stream. Okay, as of today, right, the trades we closed out of. We had NVIDIA yesterday, bought 1235, sold 1270. NVIDIA again, 1160 to 1238. And then I, like a dumbass, traded Verizon post-earnings volatility, and I lost $235. Not too bad. Whatever, right? It definitely could be better. So in retrospect, I think we should lock in, bro. What's up, Big D? I printed off BIYA today. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Sorry for being late, guys. Sorry for being late. Here's the thing, bro. You see this green candle forming on the 1 minute on Verizon? My gambler in me tells me that this would have set off my losses, but I'm gone. So fresh day, fresh start. Everything's brand new. Every trade we take today live on stream. There is no, tomfoolery, as the kids would say. What up, Magic? Good, my guy. What's up, bro? What's up? Did you stay in NVIDIA? I don't know if you even took NVIDIA. Did you stay in it? Magic. Anyway, let's lock and load, bro. Let's lock and load. Look at this massive green candle forming on Verizon right now. It doesn't matter. Okay, so what's happening today? We got Microsoft earnings today. We got TradeGPT talking its shit. I think we just get right into the thick of things. We place a trade right now, and then we fucking figure out what's gonna happen on Microsoft. But let's roll, bro. Let's have something in the oven at least. So I'm gonna rock with my classic prompt number 3. Again, guys, I don't use ChatGPT for this shit. I use Tradealgo. It's a data terminal. It's data. That's what it is. It's data. In 2026. That's the word. That's what I want you guys to focus on. We got an Intel call, $75 strike, 1st of May. Well, we got some motion here. 3 days till expiration, $75 strike, 1st of May, coming in at $7.80 with a $7.02 stop loss. So TradeGPT wants me to play the game, bro. Holy fucking tight. Let's you know what, bro? Let's just do it. Let's do it, man. I'll put this down. We're going 1 minute, and then I'm rocking on these Intel calls. Hold on. I'm going to give you guys my entry right here. So I'm going right for the kill, bro. I'm going right for these $75 strikes for the 1st of May, coming in at $7.80. Let's fucking rock, bro. Let's rock, bro. AMD, or no, Intel, Jesus. Intel, INTC. I'm just placing the trade, okay? This is Weeble. Intel, INTC, $75 strike for the 1st of May. 1st of May, $75 strike, coming in at $7.05 right now. I'll fill right here at $7.60. Let's do just something light to start the morning. I'm not going to go too hard. We'll do fucking 10 contracts at $7.60. Came out to about $7,600, guys. That's our entry, and then I'll show you guys. I just filled this right now. This trade is literally sitting in my brokerage as a fresh baby. Cat bro, freaking AGPU took me on a 4-day roller coaster after getting that 230 NVIDIA. Dude, how are you finding these companies post billion-dollar deal with NVIDIA? Or did you how do you find these? Okay, look, this is where I'm at. Intel, $75, 10 contracts at $7.60. We filled these at 11:24 a.m. literally right now, and we're gonna put this into our P&L, and then we'll start tracking. Looks like Intel took a little bit of a rock. Okay, you know, it happens sometimes. You start the morning off, you know, it's gonna draw down, but let's play. It looks like we're trading some chop right now. brothers. Okay? I'm looking for an $82 NVIDIA, bro. I'm looking for an $82 NVIDIA. Let's draw our take profit right here at 82 bucks. 82 flat. Nah, we'll do 82 because I'm not looking at the scale of this. Let's do 82.30. We're at 81.76. Let's get out of 82.30 on NVIDIA. I've got a $7.60 strike. So let me put this in my P&L, brother. INTC, we're adding position. Okay, yeah. I'm not down 400, guys. Relax. Everybody chill. I'm not down 400. My P&L tracker's just tweaking. I'm down 2 cents. These are at 7.58 right now. 7.58. 7.58. We got these at 7.60. Okay? So we're down 20 bucks. All right? 82 NVIDIA. You almost gave me a heart attack. Let's go. 50 likes. Intel. Let's go. Yeah, drop some likes. I'm going to do a poll. I'm going to do a quick poll. Let's do every like equals 1 push-up for Zebra Defender. All right, fuck it. That's my poll. All right, bro, what happened to the hairline? Bro, the hairline got deleted. You guys didn't know that? My shit got deleted, bro. Drop a like on the stream. Every like equals a push-up that I'll do off stream. It won't be, kind of in cahoots with any push-ups that are off stream. All right, I'm looking for an 8240 NVIDIA. Then let's break down Microsoft. With how tight this trade is, bro, Aaron Yeager AI and diagonals. Yeah, bro. Aaron Yeager AI is still valid. I'm looking for a 8240 Intel, and then with that being said, we got Microsoft earnings today, so I want to play some fucking ball with my last 3,000 budget today on Microsoft earnings, right? I mean, these guys are a lock for beating earnings. Am I incorrect? Like, Microsoft is a lock, bro. This is a lock. It's already getting priced in as we speak. This is one of those ones that you just know is a lock. Okay, so what I'm gonna go to Microsoft on TradeAlgo.com, and I open up TradeGPT. So the most important part about looking at institutional flow for earnings, bro, is literally just the fact of having access to institutional order flow. Okay, we can see these transactions coming in on Microsoft right now, right? $12 million. You see that today, Microsoft has had $1.98 billion in transactions, and on a 7-day average, they only do about 235 or 2.35 bill. So when you see that the fucking 7-day average is about to be beat in the morning, bro, you know that there's going to be some action here on this stock. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to be like the transactions on this are insane. What's the simple way to play this earnings volatility? I can't spell volatility right. Okay, transactions are insane. What's the simplest way to play this volatility? I'm watching AMD too, kind of while we walk through this. I'm not down 400 on this position though. I'm at 758 still. These haven't moved. I'm still down $20. 758. I'm gonna have to fix this, bro. I'm gonna have to fix my P&L tracker. Okay, so what am I gonna ask right now? I'm gonna go back to Microsoft. Transactions is insane. What's a simple way to play this earnings volatility? And I'm gonna include the instruction, give me a simple options trade to take based on the analysis you do on this stock. Now, obviously, it's going to know I'm talking about Microsoft because that's what TradeGPT is, accessing right now, the data on Microsoft. Give me a simple options trade to take based on the analysis you do on the stock. Make it a simple call or put, no spreads or multi-leg trades. Okay, so I said transactions are insane. What's the simplest way to play this? I'm looking for while we're cooking here, I'm looking for a 8237 technically NVIDIA. I'll grab asset at 8230 for sure. Minus 400. What up, Brian Pepper saying? Yo, Neve, what's up, bro? We just started. Hairvine, yeah. You know, hairline. Any hairline comment is actually valid at this point. Yeah, I'm only down $20 on Intel right now. Okay, so let's look at this Microsoft play, and I'll take this right now. Okay, so it gave me Microsoft. Dude, I just got a note back from my videographer that just killed me. I try to see, it's far too upright in colors. All right, so Microsoft, I have a buy at $415 strike at $24. Ugh, I'm gonna do one of these contracts. I only have $3 grand left to play with today. Okay, now I'm down 250 on Intel. Looks like something happened on Intel while I place this. Yeah, we got a little bit of a drop ski. All right, man, let's lock, bro. Okay, I'm looking at this 415 for the 1st of May. Another tight one. It's asking for a $2,500 trade. Microsoft. We're going to go 415, 1st of May. These are $25. $21. I'm doing one contract, bro. There's no way in hell I'm betting another 10 grand on Microsoft earnings. Okay, so we're in at $21. We filled one contract, bro. Real easy work. 2,100. So we got in cheaper than what TradeGPT told us to do. And we have Microsoft locked and loaded. So this is my Microsoft entry. You guys will see this pop up on my P&L tracker right now. Microsoft 415, 1st of May, one contract at $21. We just filled this literally right now at 11:33 a.m. Eastern Standard. And with that being said, let's go into P&L tracking. All right, and one contract. Okay, so we have 2 trades rolling officially, and we filled these at $21. And these are, yeah, I'm down $35 and I'm down $270 on Intel, bruh. $270. All right. Lock in. 733 on these. I filled my Intel contracts at 760. These are worth 733 right now. Fuck. No, I did the wrong trade. These are not. I'm not down without that much, guys. Come on, give me a break. Microsoft 3415s. These are 2118. And then, yeah, Intel's valid. All right, cool. P&L stands for purchases and losses. Profit and losses, bro. 2K, you make a bunch of money on CAT. You trading AMD. What do I think about it? I was trading AMD last week. I was trading the shit out of AMD one day. Yeah, AMD is cool. I'm more like, when it comes to like this channel and this content, I'm very like short-term trades, but my thesis on AMD is that's a 30-year play, bro. I mean, that's going to be a printer. Some fuck ass in my stream yesterday was saying that AMD will be gone in 10 to 15 years. Also, I didn't find my hairline. I just shamelessly went for the buzz cut. Is this like not like, brother, I'm kind of like welcoming the buzz cut with the way my hair is slicked back right now. Like your boy can get, like I can go with the shit, but the slick back look has just been my bread and butter, brother. Okay. Yeah, so I'm looking here. I'm waiting on Microsoft to give me some motion. But guys, remember, this is what I'm trading right now. I had a late start. So if I can grab anything today, it's definitely going to be post-earnings volatility. And then, I mean, Intel here, we are creeping back up. We are creeping back up here on Intel. We are keeping back up. We're keeping back up on Microsoft. Go to Turkey, bro. All right, look, hey guys, the Turkey stuff, yeah, like it's getting figured out. All right, negative AMD is definitely a long play. Yeah, for sure. For sure, bro. I'm very bullish on AMD. Yo, what up, guys? What up? What up? What up, Jonathan? What up, Abel? What's good? What's good? 19's live. Who are you? Bro's gonna have a heart attack. Oh yeah, I remember you. Good to see you, bro. It's been a minute. Or yeah, daddy. Trade, daddy, trade. Okay, Jeremiah. All right, bro. Okay, so this is chop, bro. I'm looking at AMD. Intel. It's chop, and then I'm looking at Microsoft. It's just straight chop, bro. We're literally just trading straight chop. I'm curious on. Here we go. Come on. I don't need much on Intel, guys. I don't need much on Intel. We hit this line right here, so I want to explain. If this fucking green thing, little green stick thing, hits my blue line right here, if this goes up and it hits my blue line, I make money. It's as simple as that, right? But if it goes down, we don't talk about that because I don't ever lose trades. So after close, you want to sell a position today and rebuy tomorrow. FOMC is also what do the diagonals look like? Go on USD Gold. Bro, I'm pretty sure if I drew diagonals on this, I think we'd be validated. If I actually got grimy and I put the diagonal right here, I mean, bro, let's line this up. This is a guaranteed trade. Give me by 11:56. Give it to 11:56. What time is it right now? 11:39. By 11:56, your boy's gone with money. By 11:56, I will have robbed Jensen Huang. Right here. Come on, bro. Come on. Easy work. Easy work. I'm only down 17 bucks on Microsoft. I'm up 150 right now on AMD. I got 775s on these contracts. I got 775. 775. At a 730 entry. 774, 15 cents. 775. I'll take it. Little 2%. Come on, keep it coming. Let's. I need that like non-Yabini AMD energy. If BTC is pumping, gold is dumping. Usually, go on USD Gold. What do the diagonals look like? Damn, bruh. How's Nvidia looking? Nvidia is always gonna be sick. Nvidia is always gonna get massive amounts of institutional transactions. You can always determine to buy it. Intel is going to drop the very best range. I'm not looking for a lot, bro. I might even go and close out of my trade right now. And grab $100. I really don't need a lot though, bro. If Intel can just get to 82.30, we're at 81.91 right now. We're gone. It doesn't matter what the stock does after, right? I feel like it's not too much to ask for. It's not it's not breaking anything. It's like a very mid-range of the day for an AMD to meet. You know what I mean? Get bullish on CAT, FLR, and TPL. Bro, CAT's a sick company. I'm up 30 bucks right now on Intel. I could take profit and grab 30. These are worth 763. I'm up at 6 cents. 763. All right, 30 bucks, and then Microsoft. What's going on here, bro? Yeah, just chop city. Literally just chop city, bro. Steven, I saw your message. I'm gonna hold Microsoft until I'm only on 12 bucks right now on Microsoft. I'm at 21.38. I bought these for 21.50. Microsoft, yeah, I'm at 21.38. 21.38. Only down. I mean, I'm up to 18 bucks in the day. All right, my course is coming soon. It's rejecting session VWAP and opening price level. Bro, what does that mean? Actually, what does that mean, big dog? What does that mean? These are all AI infrastructure plays. Bro, isn't the ultimate AI infrastructure play CoreWeave? Non-Yabini? Wouldn't that be like the ultimate AI infrastructure play? CoreWeave? Come on, man. I'm up 180 right now on Intel. I'm up 180. These are at 778. It's fluctuating, bro. It's fluctuating. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, boys. I don't need a lot. I just need something. I just need something. I'm up $180 on these. We just need a little bit more motion, bro. A little bit more motion. I'll draw you my entry. I'll draw you my MT really quick. We're so close. All right, we filled these at 11:24 a.m. I'm just gonna draw a line at 11:24 a.m. on the chart. So right here, and then this orange line is our entry. So just to remember, guys, this orange line is our entry, and this blue line is our take profit. We do not have a stop loss because I'm straight. I'm a straight male. CoreWeave, bro. Never heard of them? Cap back up to power level and FLR engineering. Look at SYM, bro. What are the big 3 AI plays? What are the 3 AI plays? Oh, we're climbing, bro. We're gonna hit this 80. We're gonna hit 82. I need 82.30, bro. I'm getting out of 82.30. Let me bring this down. We're gonna bring this down to 82.30. We don't need a lot, bro. We don't need a lot. We just need a little bit. We just need a little bit. How's Microsoft looking? Microsoft's going down a little bit. It's just choppy. It's just choppy. So it's that white cock daddy. Pass. Pass on that one, big dog. Pass on that one, bro. Who makes more, the plumbers or electricians? Bro, electricians, both of them are going to be printing in 2026. That's my job suggestion, bro. If you're trying to start trading with $20, I'll just tell you to go be a fucking plumber. I'll just be like, bro, go fucking plumb shit. Come on, AMD, don't do me like this, bro. Depends on your position. Put the target price higher. Nah. No. I moved it down because my exit is 82.30. Bro, I've got $7,600 on this trade right now, bro. Same. Let's just shoot twice, 2 angles, and I'll clip them together. Okay, there's no adjustment to get. So just one more run through at that angle. Okay, plumb some shit. Now, literally, bro, go plumb. Damn, bro, I didn't get a haircut. I just had my hair slicked back today. Plumbing is way easier and a lot more safe than electrical. They hate us because they ain't us. Bro, not even, correct me if I'm wrong. You're literally like in, not like basic electrician. You're like an electrician for like some pretty complicated fucking workflows, if I'm not mistaken. I remember you're over there in Boston, right? You know what I mean? Okay, let me get some music going in my headphones and let's rock. I mean, bro, like it might be a little bit boring right now as we wait. As soon as I get AMD, as soon as I get INTC 8230, we're out and then I'll re-roll into another position. But like, it's not like your boy can't put more than fucking 10 grand at a time on trades without feeling a little bit irresponsible. I'm an electrical contractor, Nashville. Okay, damn, then you're right there. You're right there in the South. I don't know. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what state he's in, but that boy Steven Davis is in that region of the country. XAU USD pass. I don't do forex. I'm an electrical contractor in Nashville. Yeah, bro. I remember you. I mean, yeah, it wasn't Nashville. There's another dude who does the same thing in Boston. He's in IT. Bro. It's looking good, man. I mean, you could draw a diagonal literally at any point at any time here on this chart, and this fucking thing is ripping, bro. Give me a fucking break, bro. Like, bro, come on, bro. This is going up, bro. What did I say? By 11:56. By 11:56. Mark my words. By 11:56, my trade's good. My trade's good. I've got like that Epstein level, fucking, what's the word? Like just senses. I've got Epstein level senses. By 11:56, this is my target price, and I'm out. I expect him. Okay. INTC, we're doing, I'm up 150. These are at 775 right now. And then Microsoft, it's pretty much the same story as it is right now. It just isn't moving. We're down $17. These are at 21.33. 21.33. Okay, I told you, by 11:56, I'm hitting my target price. By 11:56, INTC is worth $82.30. I'm taking money. You're Jewish. I knew it. Prediction's the word. Probably had such imbalance, et cetera, et cetera. Have you ever electrocuted yourself for fun? Nanya Binny? Have you ever electrocuted yourself for fun? I haven't done a data center in 10 years. Question, was the data center you did, was it a crypto mining facility? That's the best use for crypto mining in 2026. You already have these massive warehouses with fucking state-of-the-art cooling systems. And, oh my God, bro, what the fuck is going on? You already have these massive fucking warehouses with, in like cooling infrastructures and like heavy computing. Bro, if I was in the game, I would do what that kid is doing and just buying data centers and then, or buying old crypto mining facilities and converting them into data centers, bro. Electrocuted means death. You're Jewish, I knew it. How do you, like, what proves that I was Jewish? Dude, we're getting cooked right now. Holy fuck. Dude, this thing just dropped so fast below my entry. I mean, maybe this is what happened here. I think this is a rocket booster, honestly, guys. I'm not going to worry about it. I don't have a stop loss anyway. It was a huge server farm. 11:56, 10:48. 11:56. Mark my words. By 11:56, this hits my target price, or I'm out. No, I'm not out, but like I would just be wrong. And I've never been wrong before. I've never lost a trade before, so this would be really surprising if today's the first day I ever lose a trade. Steve Jobs just called me a horrible trader? The fuck? Bro, I'm literally on your shit right now. I'm literally using a Mac and an iPhone. That's crazy, bro. Beyond Meat is a free short. Yeah, it is. So is CAR. CAR was a free short. Draw the dong on there for good luck. Bro, I'm telling you that this is, like, when Steve Jobs says I'm a horrible trader, he's not really looking at, like, what I'm really fucking doing here, bro. You understand what this is? Steve Jobs. What ticker? I'm in INTC right now. This is bullish. Okay? This is bullish. What I just circled is bullish. This is bullish. This other portion right here is bullish. This is bullish. This, even right here, what's happening right here? This is bullish. It's all bullish. It just points to bullishness. Okay? I'm better at this than 99% of the population. I'm just fucking with you. I'm just fucking with you. 11:56, guys. 11:56. Get ready. 11:56. We're gonna clap it up. It's gonna be amazing. Bundle. What ticker? Nobody need fake meat at all. No wonder it drops to 0. We're shorting, so we're shorting beyond. I'm not shorting beyond. I'm fucking in an Intel call right now, bro. I'm in an Intel call right now, bro. Resurrected just tell you how shit of a trader I am. I know, dude. How mean. Just stop by and this guy is ass. Bro, just stop by. It looks bullish, but price is striking off an opening ticket. That could be very much a trap. Bro, it's bullish. It's bullish. Oh my God, dude. I'm gonna show you guys how much I'm losing right now. Okay, well, I'm up on Microsoft. I'm at 2170 on Microsoft. Hold on. I'm at 2170 on Microsoft. I'm at 2170 on Microsoft, and then I'm in Intel. Your boy's getting cut up on Intel right now. Not gonna lie, boys. Not gonna lie. I'm at $7.30. $7.30. Ah! 11:56. 2 more minutes, and then we're good. In 2 minutes, I hit my target price. At 2 minutes, the stock goes up to 82.30. We're good. What are you talking about? Maybe a little early. Intel in a car, got it. Have you ever watched the Big Short movie? Yeah, I've seen it. Get liquidity from lower candle, no move. Yeah, exactly. Look, it's going up. It's going up. We're about to be profitable on both of these shits. If it's over the orange line, guys, if it's over the orange line, I'm making money. If it's over this orange line, I'm making money. If it's below the orange line, I'm down. Okay? Woo! Bro, Microsoft is climbing right now. But it's not valid because I only took $2,000 for this trade, bro. I'm at 2185. 2185 on Microsoft. 2185. 2185 on Microsoft. Intel. We're at 761. So we're barely making a profit on Intel. 761. Dude, I have too much money in these trades to only be up. I literally have too much money in these trades to only be up $40, bro. Got a price leverage account, gonna short it. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Let's do this together, man. Thank you, Caleb. I wouldn't short Intel. That's just me, though. On what time frame are you shorting it on? It's sweeps, bro. All of these big red candles are just little sweeps. They're getting guys like you out of the trade, Mark. Yo, what up, lead loader? All of these, would you recommend always setting stop losses because of etc.? Of leverage trading? I do stop losses sometimes, bro. When I'm feeling gay, I do a stop loss. But besides that, no. We're just getting swept, man. What time is it? It's 11:54, bro. It's 11:54. In 2 minutes, this thing's going up, bro. Stop losses are for pussies. Yeah, I agree. Would you recommend always setting a stop loss? I mean, bro, like, I've been doing it for long enough to where I know what I don't want to put a stop loss on. But as a beginner, bro, I wouldn't even place trades that require stop losses. Bro, if I was a beginner and I was like, you're asking me, like, for beginner advice, I would say, yo, don't do any of that. I would say, bro, buy the stock of your favorite company and that you're bullish on. You know what I mean, Mark? I can't show you my trading strategy because there's not a way that a beginner does this with a clear head. Does that make sense? The whole goal in trading is just keep a clear head and be happy, bro. Preserve capital. Paul only lose money when he puts stop losses. Actually, I've learned my lesson. Take profit is big for long, strong. Okay. All right. All right, Jeremiah. Respect. Thank you, bro. Okay, doing that with GameStop, I think makes sense. No. Gabe, why? What did anything I just say have to do with GameStop, bruh. What the fuck are we talking about? GameStop? Bro, buy Google stock or the S&P 500. Oh boy, you're gonna lose money today. I'm gonna show you that I'm not. I promise you. It's 11:56 right now. It's 11:56. Yo, it's 11:56, guys. So my trade should be, you know, if I'm not mistaken, my trade should be absolutely crushing right now. In this stream, we get waxed like real men, no stop loss. By the way, every time I join the stream, this fool is crashing out. Buy Cornhub stock. Time. Yeah, I know. It's 11:56. I know it's 11:56. Look, hey, give it till the end of the minute. Give it to the end of the minute of 11:56. Give it like, oh, fuck, I just turned to 11:57. Give it like a couple more seconds, bro. Deadass. Watch. It's going up. Are you a Republican or a Democrat? I don't play Dungeons & Dragons. But I'd probably be like a mage build. If it makes any sense. Like I don't play League or I don't play Marvel Rivals or I don't do any of that. But what do you play? Yeah, bro, because everyone puts their can't trust them stars. He said he was never wrong. Yeah, brother, yeah, if some trader tells you he's never lost a trade before in his entire life, I was lying. You know what I mean? I'm like gaslighting myself into staying in this trade. That's what all that is. I don't sell a fucking course on this shit. Best response ever, dog. For what? All right, come on. Like I don't play like games that have like selective roles like that. HTCL. Hey, what up, official Poo TV? The political shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, you can LARP, brother. It's okay to LARP in the stream. I probably just, yeah. Grab some HTCO. Why? Like shares or call options on HTCO? What is HTCO talking about? What the fuck are you talking about? What's going on here? What are these? High Trend International Group is a transfer. Ooh. High Trend International. What's the play here? Are you shorting it? Made a snack and checked it. Hey, Neen. Hey, Neen, this is the first time you've ever seen me down money. Trust? I let you in. You let me in. What do you mean you let me in? Did you let me in? Am I in? Am I in, bro? Dude, we got Intel, bro, and we got Microsoft, which is crushing right now. Now I wish I would have put all my money on Microsoft and fucking 2,000 on Intel. I put way too much on this Intel trade. It's not like I'm down a lot. I'm only down $40. But Microsoft, we're up $23. You're at $21.73, guys. First of all, I've seen you lose before, but it's all relative, and we can still turn it around. Boom. Yes, boom. Yes, boom. Ah, man, why am I in Intel for $7,000, bro? Why am I taking this trade for $7,000? Literally just deleting my fucking progress, man. Big action about to happen, thank God. I wish I was in NVIDIA, bro. I feel so much more, like, I feel like Jensen Huang is, like, holding me when I place in video calls. I have like him on my side. Here, I don't know who the fuck's on my side with Intel, bro. Like the Chinese? You're killing it, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. I know I'm killing it, bro. Thank you, bro. Daddy, chill. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Of course, Microsoft is just pumping, and I am just sitting here holding my dick in my hands with only $2,000 in this trade. 22.23. God, man. Okay. Bro, drink water. I'm out of water, bro. I'm out of water. Yes. Come on, Microsoft. Should have put NVDA. Yeah, no, I should have. That's probably just reductions. That's probably the best observation of those two companies I've ever heard in my entire life. That I just haven't really connected the dots on. But yeah, you're 100% true. My Intel short is looking bad. Glad. Good. That's what you get for trying to play ball against me, bro. Are you an Ashkenazi Jew? It's all love. Bro, are you asking me if I'm an Ashkenazi Jew? I'm an Anunnaki Jew. I'm an Anunnaki Jew. I'm 7 feet tall, and my skin glows. Dude, fuck yeah. Microsoft is cooking, bro, but it's just not. I don't have enough. I'm up 120 on Microsoft right now. 2270. 2270, boys. 2270. Do I get out of Microsoft right now? But here's the thing. Yo, the guy who's talking about Microsoft, they report earnings tomorrow, bro. How do I achieve your hairline? You can't. It's a statement, not a question. Bro, you're retarded. I'm retarded? Are you talking to me? Or are you talking to the dude that's shilling the shipping company? Paul? Like, Paul the Nephilim, man, does Anunnaki mean you come from... No, Anunnaki means I literally come from another planet. And my species of people are the ones who came down and fucked the monkeys to create humans. It's not even anything to do with Jew. It's not even Jewish. It's like not even Jewish. Yes! Come on! 20 more cents. 20 more cents, guys. His hairline is a state of mind. You're talking about a giant and you glow. Got that Vegeta hairline. He's going to go Super Saiyan soon. You know what, bro? Honestly, like, if we actually look at this shit, like, my shit isn't that bad, bro. Like, I'm not balding, bro. Like, I'm not balding. You guys just love to fucking push this narrative that, like, I'm balding. If I was balding, you'd see bald spots. Like, get real, dude. Let's cook on Intel. Come on, baby. I up $78 on Microsoft, and we are up 330 on Intel. We're gone. It closed. It closed. We closed at 793. Let's fucking go. Thank you, Tradealgo. Thank you. Thank you, Tradealgo. 793. We're done, baby. We're done. Let's go. 793. Great. Great, bro. Great. That's it. That's closed. That's a closed trade, boys. That's a closed trade. We hit it. We hit it, and we were gone. I'm so glad I moved my fucking take profit, bro. Dubs, boys. Dubs. Dubs, 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 dubs. I'll hold on to Microsoft for right now. I'll hold on to Microsoft right now. It's really bad, bro, to go to Turkey with Intel money. W trade. Chat don't lie. Now INTC soars. It's really bad. What is bro talking about? W do. Yeah, well, we're good. That was clean business, boys. And it hit the mark only a little bit after I said, and it's going past it right now. W trade, boys. W trade. W trade. W trade. HTCO, it's for sure receding. Man, no, it's not, bro. No, it's not. Okay, enough. That's heresy. That's misinformation. That's misinformation, my boy. Bro, putting $7,000 down to make fucking... Put $7,000 down to make $300... Like, that's not okay, right? Like, that, I need to get better at this. Bro. Don't miss out. Okay, don't have long. Okay. HTIC. Okay, fine, bro. Fine. Is there options available on this? What should I do, man? Like, you tell me the trade. You tell me the trade, and I'll cross-reference it with my AI. Okay, you give me the exact trade to take right now. You can DM it to you if you don't want to put it in the chat. Yeah, I only put 7,000. I put 7,000 down to make that 300, bro. It just wasn't worth it. Bro, am I feeling bullish on ASML? You needed money to make money. I really don't like following chat suggestions. Johnny, do you remember that one day that guy came in and he's like, you need to get into Tesla right now. He's like, if you don't get into Tesla right now, I'd feel disrespected. I'm giving you actual insider information that as soon as this Tesla meeting's over, the stock's going to go up to $300. The stock was trading at $220 at the time. And I was like, okay. Hey, bro, it's the fucking last time I ever listened to the chat. Do you remember that motherfucker, bro? We bullish on earnings for tomorrow? A little bit. What's up, man? Been here since you started. Just taking notes and trying to learn. Chat knows nothing, bro. Like, I'm literally sitting here. I'm about to take a fucking trade from Official Poo YouTube, bro. I was literally considering it. Do something fun. Do some zero-DTE. I mean, I got 300 to play with. Let's see what's going on. Let's go to TradeGPT. I'll do the money glitch prompt for the one time. And you know what? I have this little account right here. It has $956.65 on it. This is like my joke account I started to like trade cheap options to show you guys you could grow a $1,000 account. I'll take a gamble ass trade with the balance of this account. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna gaslight TradeGPT. I'm probably gonna gaslight myself. And by the way, guys, what I'm about to do, this isn't financial advice. There's not a single part of this that I point you in the direction of the trades I take. The whole part is, bro, use the technology that I use, right? It's about data and reading order flow, and there's no way a human brain could fucking compute the order flow in the stock market. That's what Tradealgo does. That's the AI I use. So when I ask questions like I'm about to ask, you cannot take it from the 26-year-old who's addicted to fast cash on how to use data like this. This data is really good, but this isn't like follow my trades hour. So with that being said, let's like kind of proceed. Get in at 12, take 40. Bro closed his eyes. I was in my informational bag. Okay, so here's what I'm going to say to TradeGPT. Can you guys see this? All right, so I'm going to say, I want to gamble. I want a hyper volatile zero-DTE trade based on, I'm just going to literally use the word convergence. I don't even know like what that means. I'm just going to say based on convergence, and then based on convergence, hyper volatile. I don't want a complicated trading strat. I just want motion on one single directional call or put. I plan on exiting this trade in the next 30 mins. I want a decent deep fake of Amanda Bynes. Tradealgo doesn't let me do it for X because you're using it the wrong way. Somebody getting clapped in the next room. Sup, Paul, have a push-up. Why are you playing risky with the 1K account? Do you want people to try the software? Why are you doing degen prompts? I couldn't use Tradealgo Forex. Just dip your toes in. I'll dip your toes inside of me. No, I'm just fucking with you. I want a decent deep fake of Amanda Bynes. Trip to Turkey. Guys, my hairline isn't cooked. I just have a big forehead. One more like heresy hairline comment, you're getting a demerit, bro. I'm not even kidding. Okay, QQQ put. I'm not even gonna look at the chart. I'm going to take one contract of these at $2.30. I'm up 4% on Microsoft right now, 22.53. Let me update this while I place this trade. 22.53. $22.53, and then 22.53. I got a 6.57 long put on 6.57 long put on QQQ. I'm not even looking at the chart, so don't tell me if it's what the direction is. For today's expiration, so we're going puts 6.57 at 2:30. 6.57 at 2:30. Yeah, I'm probably grabbing these at 2:40. I'm gonna do 1,500 on this. I'm gonna do 1,500 on this. All right, I freed up $7,000 worth of capital, but I'm not gonna do $7,000 on a fucking retard max trade. All right, I'm filled. I'm filled on these queues. We got that zero-DTE. I get in your contracts when it's negative for jokes, but it works out. LOL. Where's lead loader? Hey, bro. I mean, hey, if it works, it works. You got to find your own way to play ball. I'm single-handedly making him insecure. All right, man. Do you feel good about it? Do you feel good about doing that? You fuck. Holy shit, dude. I'm up $7. I'm up $21. These are at 238. Hold on, let me give you guys my entry. Did I show you guys already? Here's my entry. Damn, bro, I am fucking trading my ass off today. This is our third trade. QQQ 657 put for the 28th of April. These are $2.35 contracts. We filled them literally right now at 12.13. We filled at 235. These are at 238 right now. $235 fill and the 238. Okay, and then I must have got an insane order on these because this stock's moving, and I'm still in 238. And then we got Microsoft still. I'm rocking a $95 profit on Microsoft, $22.45 on these Microsofts I bought in at $21.56. I'm at $22.45. $22.45, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. When am I going to do the push-ups, bro? I'm going to do them tonight before bed. Yo, bro, I could be tweaking on crack and I'm still doing fine. If it's anything like me, it's untreated ADHD. Yeah, it literally is. It's just the I've like just let the ADHD like form into its own thing. He has crackhead vibes. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that going visually. You know what's so funny? Even if I was a crackhead, like it doesn't even matter, bro. Like let me see what you're up to. 238 on these. I got 238 on these Qs. Bro, what do you guys say we get out of Q? Nah, it's not worth putting $1,500 on to make $20, bro. He has rage issues, TBH. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Are you like, oh, you're trying to rage bait me? Like, are you trying to fucking rage bait me? He claims it's just caffeine and nicotine. Well, it is. That's what I thought. Put on the glasses. When I get tweaker accusations, yeah, the glasses come on. Because when I'm like not and I'm like locked in like this, right? Could you imagine? You know what I mean? So I put the glasses on. You know, it kind of looks a little bit more chill. You lost your hair? No, I didn't. It's just slicked back right now. You know what, bro? You guys can incite anything. I'm up 77 bucks, 246 on Qs. 246 on Qs. And then Microsoft, we got a woo! Bro, Qs are cooking. 249. We just made $100 profit. This is what this dude is totally mogged out. Thank you, brother. We look maxing now. LOI JK, how's everything going, my dog? Bro, it's going good. Gomer doesn't go outside. Caffeine goes the most for people with ADHD. I literally will not drink coffee. How many finger can fit in that spot? I joined this. All I heard was you getting clowned on, G. Widow's Peak goes hard, though, G. Thank you, G. Zesty line. I'm out. I'm getting out of Qs. He's white. Dude, I don't know, man. Yo, gang, still waiting on drug test final reminder. Yeah, brother, don't give me some bullshit like final reminder when I told you to sign a contract that listed your business as collateral once I passed it and you fucking ran. That's literally what happened. I told you, okay, let's do it, if you don't pay me $1,000, I want to sign a contract that lists the business that you own, Nico, as collateral, and you ran away. Right? Something tells me that makes me pretty fucking bullish on the fact that you don't actually think I'm on drugs. Genius. Bro, is picking up pennies in front of a train. Thank you, bro. Good scalp and bounced off from that last wall already. But Nico, you're a cool guy, bro. You're over there in Cali, bro. You're like arguably one of those beautiful parts of California. I want to come visit you, bro. Dead ass. Why would I sign my business up to you? Yeah, I'm saying list your business as collateral if I fail a drug test. How is that? I'll list mine. I'll list my entire fucking LLC. I don't think I'm the only one, bro. No, you're the only one who wants to push the narrative of needing a drug test. If you're saying I need a drug test, I'm not going to get into this is stupid. But you won't put your business as collateral. You really won't. If yours is worth $50 million, okay, how about we look up the evaluation of Tradealgo, dumbass. Fucking retard. It's all good, bro. It's love. It's love. I still love you, bro. You know, you're one of the guys I feel like we can't have conversations like this, and I know that it's still love. Because you told me, you're like, bro, I'm worried about you. I've had friends overdose, and I appreciate the fucking worry at the end of the day. Hey there, Ezzy. Bro needs help, not a drug test. Bro, QQQ is cooking. No, it's not. Not for me. I'm in put. I'm in puts. It says 600. No, I got to fix this. I'm down 150, 213. It just changed. you show me you're taking direct payments from this website, then yeah. This guy's crashing out for getting exposed. Yeah, I'm crashing out, bro. You're right. I'm just crashing. I'm just crashing out. I'm crashing out because I'm the fucking only one in Gotham City that has the balls to stand up to the Joker. We don't care if you OD champ. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Going visually, I love you. How's that? I'm in love with you. All the hate you're throwing at me, I just want to let you know that like the minion here, bro, is speaking truth. Like anyone can do what you're doing. I want you to understand that, right? Anyone can put a minion on their profile picture and fucking go and comment hate on the stream. And I'm telling you that I not only fucking appreciate what you're doing, I'm also telling you I love you. I'm in love with you. Stop the chimp. Someone ordered this Judas guy. Bro, are you the owner of Tradealgo? What exactly are you doing? Chill. Bro, you're a lunatic, take medical. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, big dog. You know, yeah, you're not the first person to tell me that. I've had ex-girlfriends tell me that. Yeah, I'm crashing. I'm crashing over here. All right. Let's lock. You are the Jewish in the room, but is unofficial CEO of Tradealgo. No. I'm not. No. That's not something we're pushing. I'm not addressing this. You said look up evaluation. Do you own this company? So look it up. Look up the evaluation at least for me, Nico. When are we getting the pushes for the likes? I'll do pushes for likes in a second. I made him crash out, yeah. What symptoms are this? This is literally called George Floyd syndrome, bro. This is what I have. I have George Floyd syndrome. How's the dating scene in New York? It's actually pretty good. We are nothing but good boys watching his stream. Yeah, facts. Do you own it? Why is Paul acting tough? I'm not even acting tough. I'm literally giving you all the reasons to continue to roast me. I'm just saying, yeah, bro, you guys can say what you want to say. Bro's losing tons of money. LOL, Nico. Exposed that, brother. I've lost way more money on stream than right now. I'm not a good trader. Like, you guys understand that, like, I don't paint myself as a good trader. I paint myself as a data user. I tell you guys, don't follow my trades. You're right. Going visually. You are right. You are right, bro. I'm not a good trader. Nico exposed this Jew. He did. Yeah, I'm the Jew and I've been exposed. Everything's fake. Literally nothing's real. I'm just, yeah. Do I date black girls? Brother, Martis, please think about that. And, yeah, good shit, Nico. Are you still actively racist? It's 2026. Don't know what to tell you, brother. Sorry, I might have missed the, inclusive train. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. Yo, hey, come here, deadass. Come in here. This is literally my biological brother. My biological brother looks just like this. Come here.
What's up, guys?
Tell him where we grew up.
Yeah, no, we grew up in Vegas.
We grew up in Vegas.
We grew up in Vegas. We grew up in Summerlin.
And I'm not.
Oh, he's not racist. No. He's not racist. We got the same mom.
Yeah, we got the same mom. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That one was funny, my boy.
All right, dog.
Hide your wallet. A zebra. I'm just a freak. Liar. That's my dog, bro. That's my brother, bro. That's my brother. What are you guys talking about? That's my brother. Seriously. Y'all should kiss. I was literally about to kiss him on some freaky shit. Bro, I've never seen a black Jew. Check your wallet. Everything's actually, like, been stolen. Everything's been stolen. My watch got stolen. I just got this back from him. Is that the guy who stole my figure? Yeah, it is. He stole it, yeah. Everyone knows it's still cool to be a little racist. I bet you guys 69. Hey, bro. You can bet that, yeah, Wakanda in the house. Bro folded when the... I thought Zebra was dating Kamala. Could you imagine, like, bro, the most liberating thing ever is the fact that, like, I don't sell a trading course and I can come on here and I can just, someone calls me like a fake trader or like a gooner, I just can agree with them. I'm just like, yeah, bro, you're probably right. Yo, hey man, what's up with HTCO? I've been watching this. This is HTCO, the one that I was getting shilled. Nico exposes broke ass Jew. Facts. Wiz Khalifa is a black Jew. Drake, other celebrities. Facts. Nico exposed me. Nico's called me before. I was dating a daughter of a politician once. What's the update on Spray Company? I don't do updates on that on stream anymore, but I can talk to you guys about that on Discord. You gained a new subscriber. Facts. Thank you, Fat Films. Thank you, bro. That was my brother. Zebra Rizzing. Dude, Zebra, like, did you get any political poll? But yeah, dude. I'm still waiting on this. Nico exposed this guy for using drugs Jewishly. Okay, going visual is actually cool. Anyone who uses the word Jewishly is the homie. I was dating a crackhead and Ebony, both were bad. Then I saw a female version of Paul. I gooned, very good. YouTube, spray, yeah, for show, focus more on YouTube than spray foam. Paul, why are you stealing his business idea? Again, I'm not trying to expose anyone. LOL, seeking to help. Yeah, no, but like Nico, bro, we've talked. I mean, like, we're both younger guys that like have a little bit of responsibility, and the fact that you're looking out for me like that, it truly, bro, like I don't think that it would be, if you and I sat down at a bar, I don't think there would be a disagreement on like anything. I think that you and I would just be homies. Yo, Zebra is slang for half white, half black. Wow. Zebra, can you address this? May you address this, Zebra? Baby oil, where do you live, Paulie? I'm in New York right now. I'm in Soho right now, but I live in Midtown. Manhattan, bro. Zebra, you got problems. Nah. Zebra, by far, might be like, on an individual level without trying, might be one of the funniest characters I've ever met in my entire life. Let's stuff Nico in a box and spray foam the entire thing shut. Yo, going visually, would we use closed cell spray foam or open cell spray foam for that? Did you see Ellen DeGeneres got diagnosed with Kura disease? That's the disease you get from eating humans? What? Did the black guy stink that bad? One was easy, other one was overcooked. Who's black, my mom or my dad? Neither. Neither. Look, the stream is about trading. The stream is about trading. Okay, so Zevia, Fizzy, yeah, Zevia, yeah. Whatever's cheapest, don't waste capital on Nico. Nah, we do 2 inches of closed cell spray foam for Nico with an R value of 30. It's true if you want to go down that rabbit hole, yes. PDF. Bro was yeah, he was. Not this stream. No, this stream is not about trading. Back to the QQQ. That's what I'm looking at right now. It's not looking good, bro. How did your brother come out like that? Sorry, I mixed too. You got to ask Martis. That's a good question. I have no idea. It's so funny. I literally just used that kid as a token, bro. I was like, yeah, tell him I'm not racist. It's like borderline fucking racist. Grab the first black guy you see and be like, yeah, tell him I'm not racist. Like, bro, like, that's so bad. Do you know what R30 means? Yeah, of course I do, bro. I'm in the industry. I was thinking close, I would cut him off from oxygen faster. Yeah, I would, because it doesn't breathe. Shout out me. Like, bro, like, yeah. Close, I would work. Second home, so waiting for, is this guy a live streamer too? Should be on a watch list. Going visually should be on a watch list. Real question was, give me beginner classes. There's not really anything like, this stream goes really good for people who know enough about trading to watch me trade wrongly and crash out. And then for the times that I'm right, which is actually more than 60% of the time I'm right, bro. Which is a fucking fact. And I do, like, if you're going to look for, like, beginner trading strategies, I would go to I would use the company that I use. I'd use Tradealgo, but I don't like the beginner stuff. If I was a beginner, I would just buy stocks in the stock market. If there's any book you could recommend to start, yeah, read The Creature from Jekyll Island. It's the book on the establishment of the Federal Reserve. I know, I'm laughing, bro, just trolling back visually. Is it a double top red or a triple top green? It's a quadruple top brown. That's what we're looking at. It's double top red, double top, it's a triple top brown. Beginner strategies, blowing counts and watching YouTube. No, bro, beginners, like, if I was a beginner and I wanted to get into trading, bro, I would download a Robinhood and buy stocks on the S&P 500, bro. I would buy stocks on the S&P 500. Yo, the young one is stepping on the gas. So you did buy that company. Technically, I'm running all of the marketing for a company. So I'm not like technically an owner yet, but they're writing me in as a co-founder and a partner. What does Tradealgo do for you? Bro, it's the data feed. It's literally the reason I can trade whatever it tells me to do, and it's just the data. Read The Richest Man in Babylon. Great read, Zach. Great read. I just got 4 really good books. That's too boring. Full port zero-DTE. Bro, I'm fucking zero-DTEing the dick out of this QQQ trade. Spotify, such a villain strategy to adjust. You know, YDKB. What is YDKB? Going visually. What does that mean? If you're gonna make sure you trade margin, also leverage, also do zero research, tail trade, absolutely everyone. He's not trying to teach trading, he's shilling Tradealgo. All right, bro, even if I was shilling Tradealgo, it freaking works, bro. The data is real. That's the only real thing in this world, bro. The only real thing in this world is fucking data, and I'm showing you that you can have my level of ball knowledge, which isn't a lot of ball knowledge, and still make money, bro. The data here is the only real thing. By the way, my QQQ puts are crushing. Bro, I'm up 392. Because of the data, bro. Because of the data, bro. It's literally the data, bro. 291. 291, bro. It keeps going down, bro. I'm literally him, bro. I'm 420, up 427. 296. Come on. I'm getting out of queues. Good night, bro. Good night. Now I just have Microsoft earnings trade. That's it, bro. 8:39, bro. And you have everything. There's no yesterday's trades today. This is just straight from the dome, bro. And tries to ride along. It's literally what I do. Tradealgo is full of bogus data. Tradealgo. Come on, bro. Come on. Keep it coming. Keep it coming while I'm up $800 today. Come on. Say whatever you want, bro. Say whatever you want. About Tradealgo. I've got 50 fucking... You sound like an ape. Say whatever you gotta say, man. Say whatever you gotta say. Tradealgo is the shit. It's the data. Data is literally the only real thing in the entire world, bro. Open a new trade, pussy. Oh my God, no. Dude, what more do you want, bro? It's been an hour and 16 minutes. Are black people allowed to use Tradealgo? I made that much while taking a shit this morning. Good job, bro. I'm not a millionaire. What's Tradealgo? I wasn't putting your hustle down, brother. What's Tradealgo? It's just it's the data I use. It's the AI and data I use. Tradealgo's for broke people can play in the man's game. Hey, man, whatever. I don't like. It literally doesn't matter what you guys say. You know what I mean? You don't have to sign up for Tradealgo. I have nothing. I don't benefit from you guys going and using a free fucking tool. Right? There's no like I don't benefit from when you use a free tool. So what would be the reason that like I would care if you used it or not? Some people like staying broke and it shows. How many hours a day do I do this for? I mean, I've been live for an hour right now, but sometimes 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Sometimes I'm live for days. At least the man is making money. Tradealgo is not free. What are you talking about? Says broke. From where have you learned? I learned from Tradealgo. It's free. What are you paying 5K for? I pay 5K for like real-time data access, but their TradeGPT tool that I use is free. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's zeros all. Bro's making peanut profits acting like Jordan Belfort. Bro, my entire narrative is I'm not a good trader, right? And I do this consistently. Dude is wasting his life on stream. At least I'm doing something instead of going and talking from an anonymous account with a minion profile picture. Guys, hit the like so he does push-ups. They're retarded with the thumbs up. Yeah, Mark, I agree. Dude, this thing's keep... I would have made my rack off of this shit. Dude, those DTE moves are fire. So many boys in the comments today. Fat Films. Like, dude, it's at the point where, like, is a free version delayed data? It's not necessarily the delayed data. It's just you don't have the full scope of data, right? Some of my best trades come from using the real-time data. But if I'm just using their language model, Tradealgo's trade, it's called TradeGPT. It's not ChatGPT. Ignore the brokies. Ignore the brokies are always full of hate. Thank you, Aaliyah. Keep on grinding. If you're up, then it's all good, bro. Open a new trade. Free version is same data. It's just limited to the 15 prompts, and you don't see dark pools. Money's money. Tradealgo, a good tip. Who gives a fuck? Do I stream every day? You are such a shill, bro. Tradealgo is garbage. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that, and so does Tradealgo. All right. Back to the shill. Let's go and use Tradealgo again. How's that sound? How's that sound for everyone saying I'm shilling a tool? How about we go and use the tool more? Right? How about I shill you even harder? Should I just run this prompt back, bro? That I just used? Should I run this hyper volatile DTE shit? Let's see. If I put this exact Whoa, what the fuck? All right. I'm copying the same prompt I did. We're going to see what happens. So I'm saying, bro's not going to let me live down the shilling comment. Do the Spotify earnings prompt. Let's get shilled. In trolls are fueled by your rage too. In dark pool transactions. Okay. Yeah. Spotify earnings. Okay. Let's see. Keep gluing. Hey, bro, so I don't know how to act sometimes. Going visually. W trade. When will he do push-ups? W gamble. Come on, buddy. I was just messing. No, Big Z, I'm fucking with you back. IWM long put. Do we take this, bro? At 88 cents? Nah, let's look at Spotify earnings really quick. So I'm gonna go keep lazing yourself, bro. Thank you, bro. What is Spot? Is it Spotify? Yeah. Spot. S-P-O-T. First thing I want to look at, I want to make sure there's fucking options on this before I go in and grab something. So what I'm making sure right now is I'm not trading the stock. I'm trading the options market behind the stock. IWM same day. Dude, nah, there's no open interest for calls for today. Coinbase Davis. Look at this. There's nothing on Spotify. Do you see that? There's nothing on Spotify earnings for May 1st expiration. Why? I mean, that means that's a pretty telltale sign that I shouldn't. It's a pretty telltale sign when there's no options contracts that I shouldn't take the trade. Yo, what's happening? What's happening is I am looking. I'm gonna probably take this IWM. Spotify's ass. Close it. The Gentiles. No. Okay. So this was. I have an IWM shit that it just told me to do. All right. It's right here. No QQQ. And then where's my it just gave me an IWM play, didn't it? Where'd that go? All right, fuck it. I guess I'm doing the prompt again. Damn, I really wanted to know what the details on that IWM is. That's crazy that I just disappeared. For future reference, it's telltale. LOL, life is happening. Bro's trying to get his rocks off this next trade. Okay, guys, like what? How expensive are haircuts at NYC? How come you can't afford one? Haircuts at NYC are $30 million, and that's why I can't afford it. I don't even have $1 million yet. I don't have $1 million liquid to fucking go and put down 30 of them times 30 on a haircut. A bro's hair is flying wag and shit. Holy fuck, guys, Jesus. Come on, man. Another Q's put? Bro. It's going back up. Q's is going back up right now. Let me see. Do we do another Q put? Do you guys like a Q put right now? Another one? It's just, it'd be literally excessively fucking trying to milk the market, bro, if I do a Q's put. Bro's generationally priced out of haircut. Yeah, dude, I am. What do you mean? What did I say, Nico? Where it's like for future reference, it's telltale. What did I say? I said telltale. It's a telltale sign. Yeah, I'm not doing a Q's put, bro. I'm honestly probably done. I'm probably done trading today. I'm gonna just pretend that I made $1,000, and then I'm gonna like market a course around the fact that I made $1,000 today. And I'm just gonna lie. I'm just gonna lie. I'll just lie. If someone asks if I made $1,000 today, I'll just say, yeah, I did. I'm just gonna lie. What are you talking about? Why? What? How come hot dog carts on Central Park make $800K a year? Dude, they're paying fat ass licensing fees. Yeah, bro, I'm just gonna lie and say I made $1,000 today. Why don't I just do that? I'm saving, like, wouldn't that be the better thing to do than actually do it? Banned from the barbershop. Pay for the course. Par for the course is for you to lie, bro. You're a lying POS. Yeah, shouldn't I just lie to you guys? You know what I mean? I'll just say it. I just fucking say I will. I'll just say I fucking did it and when I didn't. And if they know, yeah, bro, I'm up, I'm out. It's afternoon in New York. Yeah, it's afternoon, bro. I got another video to film. So I'm going to grab Anthony right now, who's my editor. Wait for him to come as soon as he gets down. I'm grabbing Anthony is going to come down right now. And one push-up for $1. Yeah, I should just lie about it, right? Should I just lie? One push-up per $1 made 837 push-ups. Get the fuck out of here. I need another camera for push-ups. How many push-ups did we get? Okay, so the stream has 4 likes, so I only have to do 4 push-ups. That's what it looks like. You're gonna lie about the push-ups too? Yeah, I only have 4 likes on the stream, so I only need to do 4 push-ups. So I can do those later. I was literally gonna start lying, bro. Like the fuck? I'm literally just gonna start lying to you guys. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Down for a call today after stream or something? Yeah, Steven, I'm running videos and I have a lunch I have to go to. We could probably talk this afternoon. But yeah, no, I ordered the. You see 57, bro. I got 60 likes, 580. You're gonna need a new camera. You need to get AI to count how many push-ups you do. Hold on, let me see this camera angle, if you guys would be able to see the floor. If I change the camera angle. Okay, I only have to do 4 push-ups, bro. Please don't make me do more, bro. Yo, going visually, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you? What? A QQQ is, Nah, bro. There's one time I was running like a fucking webinar for TA's like software, and there was this dude in there, and his name in the class was Jake. It was like a little class I was teaching. If you guys have been around for a minute, you've been to one of my like trading classes where I teach you guys like basic shit. And this dude joins the class. This was like this had to be in like July or like before. I don't remember if it was before I moved to New York. But bro joins the class and he starts like adding, like dropping an @ symbol and tagging like everyone who's in the class and just like saying the most nefarious things. I would pull up the screenshot, but like it was literally all hard R shit and like just insanely disrespectful. And like then he started targeting the women in the class and I had to ban him. It was the first time I ever had to ban somebody because I was laughing too hard. What bro was saying. Man, I remember the trivia days. Seems like Bigsy, I run a $200 giveaway basically every Friday. Insufferable person. I'm an insufferable person. Yeah. saying all this. No. My classes are always free, dumbass. What are you talking about? I've never sold a class, and I probably never will. If I sell a class, it'd be on AI workflow. Bro, I would never, ever charge you guys for my trading experience. Are you kidding me? I would never, bro. Paul not doing so well now. Brother, you just fucking made $200 for my last giveaway, dipshit. But no, guys, yeah, I would never, ever, ever charge for class. You guys have been, for some of you, Lead Loader, Johnny, Magic, and Zebra at least. You guys came to the last class I did, which was 100% free. How much did you guys pay for it? Can I pay in shekels for your class? Yeah, you can pay me in shekels. But dude, yeah, free. It's free. Don't ever, yeah. How long have I been trading for? 3 years. 3 years. Cammy crazy. Yeah, we're cooking, man. We did all right today. I don't really have any positions left to go. I'm busy. I have family things to be in the day. I'm trying to finish everything, so I ain't gotta do shit on the weekend. All right, for sure. Hey, thank you guys for the gold coins and like all the donation shits. But yeah, guys, that narrative doesn't change. I'm not Jewish, Paul. Can the Goyim still get access, Paul? Nah. No, I'm actually gonna go take your stuff, Johnny, because it's okay for me to do that. How's that? I'm gonna go take your shit. All right, guys, man, I'm gonna wrap up here. Okay, all right, that's enough for me. That was fun. This was fun. Sage. When formulating, I literally just used Tradealgo's data in their thesis. They would assign a thesis to or like data like order flow data via AI. Yeah, bro. There's a reason. Like I'm not big on dude scaling push-ups. What the fuck? All right, I'll do push-ups. All right, I'm gonna drop down and do some. Do you guys need to see them? Is that what needs to happen? Is that what you're saying? Metrics are how annoying going visually is. What do you mean? Push-ups? Oh, dude. God damn it, bro. 61. Oh, my God. Please, guys. It was a bait. I baited you into liking the stream, bro. Fine. What is my word if I don't keep it? Let me make sure this is valid. Also, I got these prints in. Can you guys see this? Bang. Look at that. Can you guys see this? Hold on. Can you guys see this? Check this out. This one came in right here. It's like Tradealgo with like a little anime girl. And then I got all of these shits. Look at this. So this one right here, I hope you guys can see these. This is like a little gremlin, and then the Tradealgo logo in the back. Bulls vs. Bears, classic, right there on, what's it called? Fucking Times Square. This is like a little Saki robot that, I don't know, I just thought it was really cool. So I had this made, all like Tradealgo branded stuff. This is another one, this is one of my favorites that we did. All this is mid-journey, by the way, so this is Tradealgo with a rocket. I hope you guys can see this, man. Yeah, you should be able to. And then this is the last one right here. I have some really sick ones upstairs on the development floor, but that's what I cooked up. Hold on, let me get these push-ups going. Oh wait, I gotta do these push-ups on stream. Just give me like 10 minutes. I know. 61 push-ups to do because it's 61 likes. I'm just gonna knock them out in 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 50, 40, 39, 40, 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I got 12 more. 12 more.
Okay, I'm gonna do the rest for you.
Anthony's gonna do the rest right now. I got it. 1, 2, 4. Fuck, bro. I got 2 more sets of 4. I got 2 more sets of 4 push-ups, bro. All right. Lock in. Okay.
One more set.
Oh, bro, I didn't even do 4. I only did 3. Okay, just lock in, bro. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuck it. I did. That's 60. 60. I'm literally the strongest trader. That was 10 solid push-ups. All right, bro. I'm not even kidding. I'm the strongest trader. That's like what? Yo, well, those are good push-ups. All right, we're out. That's it. I'm gonna grab some water, then I've got a video I gotta film. Here, I'll read you guys the script real quick. And then we're gonna rock. I'm pretty sure it's this account. Yeah. All right. This is my script for today's video. Okay. If you're trading in 2026, this is what you're up against. Here, take a look at what congressional trades look like. These are our heroes, like Nancy Pelosi in Congress, placing financial trades across companies they might know more about than you. Or this is what insider buying looks like. All right, I got to save the aggression for the script. What stock should I spend 2K on right now? Probably the S&P 500. All right, yeah, take it easy, guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Great stream. Gappers, my guy, what's up, bro? I missed you today, bro. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, peace, guys, peace. I'm done. My bad, bro.